Hi, I'm Ellie and welcome back to the Tech Tricks channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a Google Form quiz with a 10-minute countdown timer, and it will automatically remind your user to submit when the time is up. This is perfect for classroom, team events, and even online courses. Okay, enough talk, let's jump to the tutorial. Let's make the Google Form quiz. Head over to forms.google.com and click on Blank Form. Now give your quiz a title. For example, Math Quiz 10-Minute Challenge. Then add some questions. Multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, whatever you want. Now I add some multiple choice questions. Okay, make sure to enable the quiz option by going to Settings, Quizzes, and checking Make this a quiz. I also recommend turning on Collect email addresses so we can track who took the quiz. Next, let's add the countdown timer to the quiz page. Click on Responses, link to the sheets, and create a new Google Sheet. In the Google Sheet, click on Extensions, Appscript. This opens the Appscript editor where we'll write the code for the timer and handle the form submission. Okay, now we're going to write the code that will serve the custom HTML page with the form and the timer. All the link you need, the code, the form, everything are right there in the description. This code is setting up the app to serve a custom HTML page called Hybrid Quiz. It also includes a function to record when the user starts the quiz, but that's more for advanced tracking. We'll use this later when we want to flag late submissions. Next, we need to create the form that will show the 10-minute countdown timer. Let's create a new file called hybridquiz.html and paste this code. I've dropped the link to the code and the form in the description so you can follow along easily. Okay, let's quickly break down what this code does, because it's actually super useful if you run quizzes, exams, or training sessions online. Up here, you've got this 10-minute countdown timer. It starts automatically as soon as someone opens the page. The timer updates every second, and when it hits 0, it says time's up, and even gives a little alert to remind the user to submit their answers. The Google form is embedded right below the timer, so a student don't have to jump between tabs or lose focus. Everything happens right here in one smooth layout. To set it up, just replace your Google form URL in the code with the actual link to your Google form. To find it, go to your Google form, publish it, copy that responder link, paste it into the code, and your form is live and ready to go. The styling is simple but professional, clear fonts, no spacing, and a bold red timer so it instantly catches attention. The best part, you can customize the time super easily. Just change one number in the code, and it becomes a 5-minute test, a 20-minute quiz, whatever you want. This setup is perfect for teachers, educators, coaches, or even HR teams who want to give controlled online tests and it doesn't depend on any fancy paid system. If you want to try it out or grab the ready-to-use version, I've dropped the link down in the description. You'll get both the code and the form set up so you can plug it in instantly. Now let's deploy this as a web app so we can share the link with participants. Click on Deploy, New Deployment, Web App. Enter description. For who has access, set it to anyone with Google account. Click Deploy and copy the URL. This is the link you'll share with users. Let's test it out. I'm going to open the link and take the quiz. Here's what happens. The page loads and I see the 10-minute countdown at the top. The Google form is embedded in the page, and when the timer hits 0, I get an alert telling me to submit. The form is submitted manually and my responses are recorded. Okay, now you have a fully functional timed quiz with a countdown timer that will automatically remind your users to submit after the time is up. For the next, I suggest you to watch this tutorial that will improve your skills in Google Form. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.